We are going to look into two image and two virtual microscopy for this practical one. First of all is acute pyelonephritis. So you can actually see this is actually a cross section of a kidney. So this is the hilum. So this is supposed to be the cortex and medulla. And what you can actually see here in the cortex is supposed to be red, but now it is filled by this yellowish material. So this is actually abscesses, small micro abscesses. Okay, and obviously because of this is inflamed kidney, because of the acute inflammation, the kidney is basically enlarged. Next one is chronic pyelonephritis. Because of it's a chronic process, some healing would occur. That's the reason why you can actually observe that the kidney is shrunken a bit. Okay, and most importantly, because of the healing process and scarring, you can actually see there's actually scarring of the cortical surface of the kidney. And when we cut the kidney, you can actually see that's actually reduction in the thickness of the cortex layer. Okay. For virtual microscopy, first is we are looking into diabetic glomerular disease. This is actually a very helpful slide because you can actually look into the annotations on the right hand side. But these strips basically is a renal biopsy strips that you can actually look into, and especially the glomeruli. So this is our glomeruli, and these glomeruli are basically not normal. You can actually see there's actually thickening of the basement membrane, right? And this is what we call as glomerular sclerosis. Sclerosis also occurs in the capillaries of the glomeruli. You can actually see the pinkish material, and sometimes the sclerosis becomes so it becomes collected, okay, and it forms a nodule, and it is known as Kimmel-Still-Wilson nodule. Okay. The next one is chronic pyelonephritis. So this is also again a very helpful slide which has annotations that you can look into. But most importantly, apart from this bluish thing, basically are inflammatory cells, lymphocytes. Okay, it's chronic lymphocytes. You should look into the tubules. Okay, not many of them, but you need to look into it. And majority of the tubules are basically filled with this pinkish cast material. So this is what we call as thyroidization. Okay, this is called tubule thyroidization, a feature in chronic pyelonephritis. That's all.